Hi guys, in the last lecture we see how to align our text in CSS. Now in this lecture we see how to link our external CSS and what is external CSS and some pseudo classes for links. So first I get rid of all these tags here. That's our previous lectures, and all the styling I remove from this. I here remove all the styling because we make an external CSS. So nothing is here, we make it from scratch. So first I want to tell you some links pseudo classes. So first I write here a href, and in href I want to address of Google, www.google.com. Remember, for the link of any Google or any websites that is live here, not to your websites, we use here their address, proper address here. So in a tag I write here Google. Save it and refresh. So now if I click on it, you see here we go to our Google page. That's we link here. But that's open in the same browser or in same tab. So what if I want in a new tab? So for this I want to cut it, and for this I write here target and write here blank. Target blank is used for to link our open in new tab. So first I click on it. So now you see our new tab is open automatically. That is our page and that is our new tab, and Google open here in new tab. That is the benefit of target blank. So in CSS I want you in another way, that is external CSS. External CSS is very handy and we clearly understand the CSS. When you live your websites on hosting, some pages reload all the codes. That is not good and your website is slow. So for this reason we use external CSS. That is a separate CSS. For this I go to CSS tab, and here CSS I make a new class, that is a new file, and right here save it and webpage.css. So that is loading. So I write here webpage.css in the same web development folder, that is our web development course in CSS. I write here webpage.css. .css is extension for external CSS that used for separately. So if I click here now, our web page.css class is here. The first one we link here our CSS. So for this I write here link, that's used for linking over CSS, and rel, that is for relation, and here I write here style sheet, and in style sheet after this I write here type, and their type is text slash CSS, and one more thing, that's the file name. So I write here href, and in href I write our file name, that is web. I mistake the class, that is app page. So that's not matter if I link work. So now this is our link here, that is for external CSS link. So in external CSS, first I want a hover effect on our a tag, that is a link. So a hover, and I write here decoration, text decoration underline. So for this, we want to first remove our underline. So in a tag, I write here text decoration none. So I save it and reload. So now if I click on it, you see here if I hover on it, the underline is appear, otherwise not underlined. So that is our hover effect. So first pseudo class, that is hover, and the second one I want to tell you is visited. Visited pseudo classes is used for visited pseudo classes is used for that's our link is visit. So first if I write here color and write here green, save it and reload. So now you see our link is green because we visited before. So if I want another link, I want to show you something simple. Control C, copy it and paste it here, and I write here new Google. That's clearly ours. So that is new Google, but these are in one line. If you want to change separate line, we write in paragraph. So that is first paragraph, and we write here tag and write here that is second paragraph. So I simple intention it, that's what we write here, clearly understand. So first now if I save it and reload, that's are two in a new line. So in web page, now if I click on it, you see here another tab, and that is green because we visited it before. So that is why they are green. So if you want to more pseudo classes, you write here pseudo classes in CSS. Go to W3 School website, and down here you see many pseudo classes. That is a link pseudo classes visited over active. You can try it yourself. So that is the pseudo classes and how we link our external file. So here we end this lecture. Please like the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.